It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Acadia Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors. We've got the child lock button, auto express windows, the programmable memory seat. We also have a power lift gate and a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and those buttons are found on the front passenger seat also. Up above, we've got the power sunroof. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we have the digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got the programmable garage door opener, the power sunroof button, interior light buttons, and OnStar. Here we have GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the current time, and doubles as our backup camera. We've got various camera views. We can change the view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. This Denali also comes with navigation. And here we have the push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons. We've got some USB and power plug-ins. Here we have the auto stop start button, traction control, park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, off-road mode, and trailer mode. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is the front camera. We've got fog lights down below, 20-inch wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have the side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. As we make our way to the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer. We also have the power lift gate, so we can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, we've got the tethers to pull that third row seating down. We've also got some power plug-ins, cargo hooks, and a storage compartment. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 6-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got our rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, some USB and power plug-ins, cup holders, and a storage compartment. To gain access to that third row, we can use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the top of the seat to engage that slide technology. In the third row, we've got 2 additional seats, cup holders, and some USB plug-ins. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.